Hello and welcome to my video, and this is about my WPL C24-1 ready to run. Last year I bought some upgrades for it, and a list of those and the ones included in this video are in the description box below. And this is the next upgrade that I bought for it, which is the WPL metal axles. The other upgrade I'll be fitting are these WPL wheel weights, which I already had in my spares. So you use 2 weights and 2 clips for each wheel. Now when you put these on and secure them with the clips, they don't actually clamp tight and they can rotate around the wheel. So what I do is put a blob of hot glue inside the wheel there, and once that's gone off I secure the weights with these clips, and I tend to put one on one side and then one on the reverse side. Once I've done that to all the wheels, I can then glue on the tyres, and to do that I use this glue which is called Fantastic Elastic. Right, onto the axles. Now you don't actually get any instructions with them when you buy them separately, but you can download them from the WPL website, or if you've already built the C24-1KM or the C24-1KM for example, you can follow those instructions because they're exactly the same axles. Because I've already filmed building these axles for my WPL C24-1KM video, I haven't done it for this one. So I put a link below to that video if you would like to see them being built. But this is the rear one assembled, and this is the front one assembled with the included metal steering links, and here it is fitted to the truck. And onto the rear axle, and here's the underneath where you can see some of the upgrades that I fitted last year, and these include the metal drive shafts and the 2-speed gearbox which comes with a servo and the 370 brushed motor. So that's it. I don't think I'll be doing any more upgrades for this truck, but I would like to point out before I go that it is cheaper to buy the WPL C24-1KM kit, which includes many of the upgrades that I've bought separately. Coming up is a test run. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon.